For an effective homemade ant bait, mix borax, water, and honey so the borax is lethal but the bait remains attractive and liquid enough for worker ants to carry it back to the nest. Use 1 tablespoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of boiling water, stir until fully dissolved, then add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix well, letting it cool to room temperature before placing small drops where ants travel. The borax will act as a slow-acting toxicant that worker ants will not associate with immediate harm, while the honey provides a high sugar reward that encourages feeding and transfer. Boiling the water speeds dissolution and reduces clumping so the solution is uniform. If any undissolved powder remains, strain or stir longer. Adjust slightly toward a thinner consistency by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm water if the mixture is too viscous for ants to ingest easily. Place the bait on shallow containers or on pieces of cardboard to avoid spills and check daily, replenishing as needed until activity stops. Keep the mixture away from pets and children and store any unused portion in a labeled, sealed container out of reach. Common mistakes include making the bait too concentrated with borax, which kills ants before they return to the colony. So stick to 1 tablespoon per cup to maintain the delayed effect. Another is using too little sweet attractant, which ants ignore, so use about 2 tablespoons of honey or an equivalent sweetener. A third issue is placing bait where it gets rained on or contaminated, which reduces effectiveness. So deploy in sheltered locations or indoors and refresh after any weather exposure. Each of these fixes is straightforward. Maintain the ratio, ensure sweetness and liquidity, and position bait in dry, accessible spots. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find projects in their area, and our discussion community connects users so they can share experiences and practical tips about treatments like this. We make it easy for people to post questions, read others' comments, and discover professionals while learning from a neighborhood of shared knowledge.